Alright, welcome everybody. I'm going to be showing you how to do the smooth subtitle
I need your help.
transitions like this
He's in grave danger.
From
in
the
Premiere
Sith?
Pro.
From himself.
What?
Padme.
Padme.
Anakin has turned to the dark side.
What?
Something's happening.
What's happening?
I'm not the Jedi I should be. I want more,
What do you want? Okay.
and I know I shouldn't.
You said that you would destroy the Sith, not join them!
No one on YouTube is showing you how to do that but me. Alright, we're in the import. We're going to import this Patrick Bateman clip. YouTube subtitles. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Let's alt scroll to zoom in. Alright.
I'm just a happy camper.
I'm just a happy camper. So we're going to click T. We're going to click in the middle. Now I'm going to type I'm just a, and then I'm going to stop. That's my first one right now. We're going to double click. We're going to go over here and then scroll down. I'm going to change the font really quick. All right, now scroll down to position, reset. I know it's going to be in the corner, but come over here and hit this right in the middle under regular. Now we're going to make this 40. We're going to make it size 40. Now we're going to turn this up to, we're going to set that to 200. Now what we're going to do first is we're going to click right under text. There's a little oval and click the create ellipse mask. Okay, now we're just going to drag it into this. And don't worry, we're only going to have to do this once, okay? So this is just a one-time thing. The rest we can copy and paste, doesn't matter. Now just grab anywhere here, all the way, I would say right about there. You can go all the way over here, doesn't matter. Now we're going to click mask path. It's going to disappear. Now we're going to click mask to make it reappear. We're going to go to
I'm just
we're going to go back. I'm just like right towards the middle about what they're saying. Just go ahead and toss that right there. I'm just now move this all the way over here. Boom. Now it's gonna look really quick. Now it's too quick, so what we want to do, we're gonna take this and move it to about here. Okay. I'm just a, and then we'll do the happy camper afterwards. Okay. And then we're gonna turn this feather up to, I say 160 is good, okay? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to effects. So my setup, if your setup looks different, click up here and click editing. That's my my layout. Now click these arrows, effects. Click, type in blur. Scroll down until you see Gaussian blur, Gaussian, I don't know how to pronounce it. Drag it, drop it. Now right about here, we're going to set the blurriness. Actually, just right here. We're going to set the blurriness to 70 actually. We're going to set the key point and now turn this down all the way down. I'm just a Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn blurriness up. And then we're going to click reset because it's just going to add a key point that's the same because we just want a space of where it's going to be perfectly visible. See how it's visible in between these key points, but before it's blurry. So it's going to be blurry, visible, and then it's going to blur out. So right about here, we're going to turn the blurriness back up to 670. Perfect. Now it's too quick, so what we want to do is actually pull this back. So there's less time of, you know, just, we want to be able to see the blur almost immediately. See that? Now it's smooth. Look at that. Alright, now we're going to double click and scroll down to shadow. Let's just make it red. We're going to go red, but a little bit to the left at the very bottom. Perfect. And now you're like, alright, let's do the second part. How does it stack on top of each other now? Click, hold Alt over here on the left of your computer. Hold Alt. Now just click the shoot button, left click, and keep holding Alt and drag up. Keep holding Alt and let go of of the trigger. And now you have 2 of them. Let's just move this over here. I'm just a. Now we're gonna edit this one because this is the second one. We're gonna type in I'm just a happy camper. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna immediately see how it's stacking on top. We want it to come out below it now. Okay, we're gonna actually set this to 170. We're gonna do exactly 170 right now, and we want, see how the background's fading out right as it's coming in. We want the background to stay a little bit longer, so let's highlight these key points. We're gonna drag these right about here, just so it's still in there for a little longer. Now it's gonna look like this.
I'm just a happy.
Now we want it to come in slower, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this key point and drag it to here. It doesn't matter where, just enough. You gotta play around, listen to it.
Happy.
See how he's saying happy? So camper should come in a bit slower, so that's why we want to move it a little bit ahead. And now it's gonna shoot out too quick, so what we want to do is drag this probably like to there. Because see, now it's super slowly fading away. It's perfect and clean. You'll get the hang of it. You just have to play around a bit. Now we actually want this blur to stay in a little bit longer. We want this blur to come in a little bit later. Alright, perfect. Now go ahead and check it.
I'm just a happy camper.
Now I'm gonna keep the background in longer actually. So let's drag these points again. Let's set it to like, yeah, they're like right there. So we want really slow.
I'm just a happy camper.
Perfect. Now, what you're probably like, oh, I don't want to do that all over again. You don't have to. What you want to do is make those 2 in the beginning, and that's all you need. You just keep copying and pasting and adjusting, and trust me, it'll be really quick. Honestly, I think it's the quickest way right now. All about the adjusting, and it's fun. You know, it's fun
I'm just a happy camper.
to make it really slow and clean. And this is the quick way. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, tell me what else you guys are in need of, and I can show you how to do this on Premiere Pro, because Premiere Pro is the GOAT.